Hello lovelies and welcome back to the channel. So today's video is a very interesting one because I'm going to show you how you can turn your food waste into something valuable and nutritious. I'm going to show you how you can make millet muffins from millet residues, which I saved after making the spicy millet drink. If you haven't watched that video, I've left the link in the description box, so do well to check that out. So first, we're going to mix our dry ingredients. So in a bowl, you're going to add your flour, baking powder, baking soda, and a pinch of salt. You mix this well until combined and set aside for now. I'm going to leave the recipe in the description box, so do want to check that out. In another bowl, I'm going to crack in an egg, then add some oil to this. So here I'm using olive oil, but you can use any oil of your choice. Then for sweetener, I'll be using this syrup for this recipe, but you can also use any sweetener of your choice or even sugar. Feel free to make this recipe with what you have available. I also added vanilla extracts for some added flavor. Then mix this until everything is combined. Once I'm done, I'll go in with the star ingredient, which is the millet residue. I'm going to stir this in to mix all the ingredients. Then once I'm done, I'm going to add the dry ingredient mixture to this. So again, I'm going to gently mix this until everything is combined. But make sure that you are not over mixing this so you don't develop the gluten. We want a very nice textured muffins at the end, not something hard. So the last ingredient we're going to add here is milk, and once you add that, go ahead to mix the batter until everything is combined. So if you're new to this channel, hi there, I'm Stella and I share innovative and delicious recipes on this channel. So if you want to see more of my videos, do also subscribe to this channel and turn on notification so you never miss a post from me. So this is the consistency you're expected to get after adding all the ingredients. And now I'm going to scoop this into my muffin mold, which I have lined with muffin papers. So I'm going to scoop this cup full of butter into each muffin mold, which is about 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter. As you can see, I'm filling this about 2/3 full, but you can also fill this to the brim if you want your muffins to be very high. If you're still watching this video to this point, then it means you love what you're watching. Why don't you just subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification so you never miss an upload from me. And to my returning subscribers, thank you very much for the support. I love you so much. So once you are done scooping the butter into the mold, you're going to transfer this to the oven and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes until a skewer comes out dry once you poke into the muffins. So I did a skewer test and it didn't really come out dry. So I'm going to put it back into the oven for a few minutes, and after a few minutes, this is what we have, guys. These are beautiful muffins made from millet residue, and these are truly amazing. These muffins are soft, delicious, and a little spicy. One trick I learned from making these muffins is that if you don't want your muffins to be stuck to the paper, make sure you let them cool before. I couldn't resist mine, but if you are making yours, make sure you let them cool to get them out in whole. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.